Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 7. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an information and communication technology class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is assignment related. So in these connections, I request all of my students of class 7 to open your ICT book, Information and Communication Technology book, this book, page number 2, and from page number 2 to 6, these pages are related to our assignment. So you know, dear learners, that in our ICT subject or on our ICT subject, there is only one assignment. So in these connections, I request all of you to give your maximum attention and to be attentive to the whole class. At first, page number 2, lesson 1, it is information and communication technology in personal life. So look here, the new technologies frequently come into being in this world, though we do not get the information right away. So it does not have any impact on us, but information and communication technology is such a kind of advanced technology which has immensely been influencing our life since its inventions. That means in our life, the influence of science and technology is immense or is much. In this world, that means the present world is now information and technology. There is no one who has not used this technology or it has not brought about a change in his life. Information and communication technology is not only used in important state affairs, but in the international events, but also in the lives of common beings. That means information and communication technology is not limited only in information of state related things, but also in personal things also. If we look around, you will watch the people of your acquaintance or familiarity, kin, teachers, classmates and yourself in one way or another are using the technology. The textbook which you are reading right now is written by someone, printed by using the information and communication technology and brought before you. So you can read it. There are plenty of examples like this. So dear learners, from the very beginning we have got the introductions of information and communication technology in our personal life. Now, so look at the picture here. It is written, anybody around us can communicate with others over mobile phone whenever he likes or she likes. If we try to make a list of look here, it is multifarious uses or multi-dimensional uses of information and communication technology in a man's life, it will never end. That means the descriptions will never be end how much or how the spread of communication technology in our multi-dimensional sector. In spite of that, let us at least try to record the significant events of his life, strongly influenced and guided by his technology. Dear learners, look here, it is seen television is the most widely used medium of entertainment. So look here, we all know that television is the most widely used medium of entertainment. Now, so there is another segment, it is personal communications. The title is personal communications. So look here, it is personal communication. The very first instant of using information and communication technology may be personal communications. Almost everyone uses mobile phone. Look here, how personal communication is related to information technology. Give your attention, mobile phone. They can communicate with anyone over mobile phones whenever they like. Perhaps you can realize that our life standard has been on the up and up since communications with others over telephone has been easier. Now we can do any job with less effort that was unimaginable before. That means here it is written, that means we can do any job very comfortably, very easily, which was very much unimaginable and very much difficult before. Now dear learners, we will go to next page to understand about entertainment. Okay, it is entertainment. So look at the segment, it is information and communication technology in entertainment. Nowadays information and communication technology is not only a way of communication but also an enticing medium of entertainment. That means the one of the most important ways of entertainment. Previously, people had to purchase a separate machine to enjoy music, but right now they can listen to music in mobile phone. Once camera was solely a commodity of the rich people, or only, that means only the rich people bought it or could buy it. Now the common beings can take photographs and make videos by using mobile phone. It is gradually being an intelligent device that can manage to do works of different varieties. In the same way, the computer is gradually being small size. For example, from desktop to laptop, laptop to notebook, and notebook to small phone. So look at the from desktop to laptop, laptop to notebook, and notebook to smaller phone, smartphone. It means that we are going to have such an advanced device by which we can perform innumerable jobs or much job. Learners, look here, it is written GPS can locate any place on earth. Okay, look, now our another segment is GPS. The full form is Global Positioning System. Very much interesting thing. The precondition of going anywhere by a transport is to know the road links. How can a man reach the destination without knowing the road communications? But it is very amusing that nowadays he does not need to know the road links before going anywhere. By analyzing or by describing the signals transmitted through the satellite moving around the earth, he can easily locate where he is, and by inserting a map he can go anywhere he likes. So look here, all the new vehicles have GPS device or global positioning device that shows the driver the way he chooses to go. Now dear learners, we will go to our lesson 2. So look here, it is the lesson 2. The name of lesson 2 is Information and Communication Technology in Personal Life. We use information and communication technology all the time in our personal life. We are accustomed to using the technology. Look at the form. We are accustomed to using the technology that we do not even notice its inavailability carefully. We can make a list of the activities of an imaginary figure to understand how far the use of this technology has its impact on us. Suppose the name of the man is Sagar. So look here, the name of the man is Sagar. You can consider him. He woke up with the sound of the alarm set at 6 a.m. in the mobile phone. Getting off the bed, he suddenly remembered that it was a holiday. He did not need to go to the office. He was switching off the alarm. The next calendar caught his attention and reminded him that it was the birthday of his friend. There was a celebration party in the afternoon at his residence. Having got his face washed, he took the breakfast and watched the morning news on television. Look at the appropriate preposition use, on television. His heart rejoiced at the news of a bumper paddy crop in the year. Again, he felt a bit concerned as the depressions in the Bay of Bengal might turn into a cyclone. Having completed his breakfast, he busied, so look at the busied himself with his laptop. At first, he checked his email box. His brother living abroad has sent a family photograph that was very pleasant to look at. Sagar decided to fix it to the wall. After giving it a nice framing, he started playing some of his favorite songs after sending replies of the messages through email. Then he started reading a book in his e-book reader. He could not guess how time passes. Now look here, it is seen that Sagar is reading a book by using e-book reader. So look, when he finished reading the book, it was late. He suddenly remembered there was nothing to eat at home and he forgot to the shopping. Then it came to his mind that he could order through the internet for supplying food. They would send it through the delivery. Sagar instantly ordered for his favorite pizza through the internet. So look here, it is written through the internet system here, supplying food, that means supplying food, pizza. After some time, a cheerful young man came to his residence with the pizza. Did you have any problem getting my house? Sagar asked him. Not at all. I inserted your address on GPS. So look at the using of GPS system, which directed me the way the way to your house. He replied. Sagar again roamed around the website and collected the latest news of the world while he was taking bites of pizza. An amazing piece of new science regarding neutron was published. He did not know how the neutrino was, so he visited the website and read an information article about neutrino in Wikipedia. Not only that, a movie had been a blockbuster recently. He thought it was a bad idea to watch it. He started downloading the film for night to watch it in the night. Sagar would go to attend the birthday party of his friends in the afternoon. He should give something to his friend as a gift. His friends likes to read books, so he ordered for a book through the internet and it would be delivered in time. He also ordered a book for himself. He checked the balance of his account and transferred some money from his saving to account. When he was about to leave the room, his mobile phone rang. It was a call from his mother. How are you, mother? Sagar asked her. Well, but the power of your father's spectacles is supposed to be changed immediately. We cannot see anything clearly. He cannot see anything clearly. His mother replied, don't worry. I will come home in the next week and take father to an eye specialist. Dear learners, now we will go to our next page. This is our ending page. Sagar booked a train ticket of her mobile phone. So look at another uses of information technology. Booked a train ticket of her mobile phone after he had finishing taking his mother. Okay, talking to his mother. He will inquire about an eye specialist at a treatment center in the night. So look here, they enjoyed the birthday party at the house of his friend. The kids were playing games on the computer with making a real, so look here, it is hula balu. Hula balu means making real sound or noises. There is a new word, it is hula balu. Okay, hula balu means making noises. Sagar returned home after the feast and went to the bed early. Leaving on bed, he watched the news on television and knew that the picture received from the satellite showed that the cyclone changing the directions moved to another way. So it was no longer a threat to the country. Sagar felt relieved and went to sleep in a relaxed mood. So look at the imaginary account of the life of an imaginary man is ended herewith. Have you noticed how many urgent pieces of business he did by using the information and communication technology? Could anybody guess it before a few days? Dear learners, so from page number 2 to 6 we have read the information and technology, the influence of information and technology in our personal life. Here we have learned many things. So to do your assignment properly, you need to read these 2 or 3 pages properly, so that all of my students of class 7 do your assignment properly. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.